What if the darkest corner in your home could become the most beautiful spot in the entire house? Most people think indoor plants need bright, sunny windows to survive, but that's completely wrong. Some of the most stunning houseplants on Earth actually love low light and thrive in forgotten corners where other plants struggle. Imagine turning dull, shadowy spaces into lush green sanctuaries filled with life, elegance, and calming energy. In today's video, we're revealing the best indoor plants that brighten dark corners with almost no effort. These plants are beginner-friendly, stylish, air-purifying, and surprisingly hard to kill. From dramatic tropical leaves to elegant flowering plants, each one can transform your room instantly. And make sure you stay until the end, because one of these plants can survive conditions that would destroy most houseplants. Whether you live in a tiny apartment, a modern condo, or a home with limited sunlight, these plants are about to completely change your indoor space forever. Number 1. Snake plant. The snake plant is one of the most powerful indoor plants for dark corners because it thrives in places where many other plants fail. Its tall, upright leaves create a bold architectural look that instantly makes empty corners feel stylish and alive. Even in low-light conditions, the snake plant continues to grow slowly and maintain its beautiful deep green color. That's why it's often called one of the toughest houseplants in the world. One of the biggest reasons people love snake plants is their incredibly low-maintenance nature. If you sometimes forget to water your plants, this one will forgive you. It stores water inside its thick leaves, allowing it to survive weeks without attention. Overwatering is actually more dangerous than underwatering. Simply place it in indirect light, water occasionally, and let it do its thing. Another reason this plant is so popular is its clean, modern appearance. It works perfectly in bedrooms, offices, hallways, and living rooms. Whether your decor style is minimalist, modern, boho, or tropical, the snake plant fits almost anywhere. Its vertical growth also helps smaller rooms feel taller and more spacious. Many people also keep snake plants because they help improve indoor air quality. Their ability to tolerate poor lighting while still looking elegant makes them ideal for apartments and darker homes. If you want a plant that looks expensive without requiring constant care, the snake plant is one of the best choices you can make for your indoor space. Number 2. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant looks almost too perfect to be real. Its shiny, waxy leaves reflect light beautifully, helping brighten gloomy spaces naturally. Even in dark rooms, this plant manages to stay lush, healthy, and incredibly attractive. That glossy appearance gives it a luxurious designer look that makes any corner feel more sophisticated instantly. What makes the ZZ plant truly amazing is its ability to survive neglect. Busy people absolutely love this plant because it practically takes care of itself. It tolerates low light, dry air, and mist waterings better than most indoor plants. In fact, many people accidentally kill it by giving it too much attention instead of too little. The thick stems and underground rhizomes store water efficiently, allowing the plant to survive drought conditions indoors. This makes it perfect for beginners who are nervous about plant care. Just place it in a shaded area, water sparingly, and watch it thrive with minimal effort. Another reason the ZZ plant is becoming so trendy is its sleek modern style. It pairs beautifully with modern furniture, neutral interiors, and minimalist home decor. Its symmetrical leaf structure creates a clean, polished appearance that photographers and interior designers love using in home styling. Because it tolerates fluorescent lighting, the ZZ plant is also popular in offices and commercial buildings. If you want a plant that looks elegant year-round without demanding constant care, the ZZ plant may be one of the smartest indoor plant choices available today. Number 3. Pothos. Pothos is one of the fastest and easiest ways to make dark corners feel alive and vibrant. Its trailing vines create a lush jungle effect that softens empty spaces and adds instant warmth to a room. Whether hanging from shelves, climbing walls, or cascading from baskets, Pothos always creates a beautiful, dramatic display. One reason this plant is so loved is its incredible adaptability. Pothos can grow in bright rooms, dim rooms, and almost everything in between. Even under lower lighting conditions, it continues producing long, flowing vines that make spaces feel cozy and inviting. This flexibility makes it ideal for apartments or homes with limited natural sunlight. Pothos is also extremely beginner-friendly. It grows quickly, recovers fast from mistakes, and clearly shows signs when it needs water. If the leaves start drooping slightly, a simple watering usually brings it back quickly. This makes it one of the best confidence-building plants for new plant owners. Another huge advantage is how versatile it looks in home decor. Pothos works beautifully in bedrooms, kitchens, bathrooms, offices, and living rooms. It can be styled in modern, rustic, tropical, or minimalist interiors effortlessly. The flowing vines also help create movement and softness in rooms filled with hard furniture edges. Many plant lovers enjoy propagating pothos because it grows new roots easily in water. One small plant can eventually become many plants throughout your home. If you want a low-maintenance indoor plant that grows beautifully and transforms dark spaces quickly, pothos is an unbeatable option. Number 4. Peace Lily. If you want a plant that brings elegance and flowers into dark corners, the peace lily is a perfect choice. Its glossy green leaves combined with graceful white blooms create a calm, luxurious atmosphere that instantly upgrades any room. Few low-light plants look as sophisticated and timeless as the peace lily. One of the most impressive things about this plant is its ability to tolerate shade while still producing flowers. Most flowering plants demand bright sunlight, but peace lilies can bloom surprisingly well in lower lighting conditions. This makes them ideal for bedrooms, offices, and shaded living rooms. Peace lilies are also excellent communicators. When they need water, their leaves droop dramatically, making it easy to know exactly when to water them. After watering, they perk back up quickly, almost like magic. This makes caring for them simple even for beginners. Another reason people love peace lilies is their ability to make indoor spaces feel peaceful and relaxing. Their soft leaves and elegant blooms create spa-like energy that works beautifully in bathrooms and quiet corners. Many people use them to create calming indoor environments after stressful days. Because they enjoy humidity, peace lilies perform especially well in bathrooms or kitchens with indirect light. With occasional watering and gentle care, they remain beautiful for years. If you want a classy indoor plant that thrives in shade while adding beauty and elegance to your home, the peace lily is an incredible choice. Number 5. Cast iron plant. The cast iron plant earned its name for one simple reason. It's nearly impossible to kill. This plant survives conditions that would destroy many other houseplants, making it perfect for dark corners and busy lifestyles. If you struggle to keep plants alive, this might become your new favorite plant instantly. Its long, deep green leaves create a calm, elegant appearance that fits beautifully into almost any home style. While some trendy plants demand constant care and perfect lighting, the cast iron plant stays healthy with very little attention. It tolerates low light, inconsistent watering, dry air, and temperature changes surprisingly well. One reason people appreciate this plant is its quiet beauty. It may not have flashy flowers or dramatic colors, but its rich green foliage adds a natural grounding energy to indoor spaces. In darker rooms, those glossy leaves help create freshness and life without overwhelming the decor. This plant is also ideal for people who travel frequently or forget plant care routines. Unlike delicate tropical plants, the cast iron plant remains strong even during periods of neglect. It's one of the safest choices for beginners who want reliable indoor greenery. Another advantage is its slow growth. Because it grows gradually, it stays manageable indoors and doesn't require constant repotting. Simply place it in a shaded corner and allow it to quietly enhance the room year after year. For durability, simplicity, and timeless elegance, the cast iron plant truly lives up to its legendary reputation. So, which of these incredible low-light plants would you place in your darkest corner first? Whether you love the bold structure of the snake plant, the glossy beauty of the ZZ plant, or the flowing vines of pothos, there's a perfect plant for every home and every lifestyle. The best part is that you don't need huge sunny windows to create a stunning indoor jungle. Even the darkest spaces can become vibrant, calming, and full of life with the right plants. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more indoor plant ideas, plant care tips, and home transformation inspiration. And before you go, tell us in the comments which plant you already own, or which one you're excited to try next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.